and then you're going to go up, out, up, out. Same thing with your left arm, bring it straight across, and go up, out, up, out. That's the first part. The second part would simply be a twist. The rest, we'll take it from there with the guests. Alright, what we're going to do right now is a grease lightning dance. Most of this is improvised. Right now, you guys know how to do the grease lightning? You see the movie? Take the right hand, stick it up in the air for me. We're going to bring it right down in front. We're going to bring it right on the cross. Up, out, out. Up, out. Twist. Keep it shaking. Alright, here we go. Now, run in place. Right hand again.
On the way, dickhead.
Run in place. And twist. Right hand. Up, out, up, out. Hips. Run. And now we're going to squint.
Why are we listening to guys?
Backstroke.
Who is it?
The monkey. Now we're going to clap. Alright, take your right arm, stick it out and shake it. Take your left arm, stick it out and shake it. We're going to bend down, we're going to touch our knees. Now we're going to bring it on out. It's important. We're going to get him up in the air. We're going to get it up in the air. We're going to count the three and scream. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
On the way.
Hi, boys.
Hips. Finish it off with an air guitar. Come on.
Lightning!
Have fun.